I Jinghikai SSA West Jaintia Hills, haka jingiadei bat Kahok ki Khynnah CWSN. Ka office treikam jong ka district mission Co-Ordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills, haka thong ban kyntiew ka pule puthi hapoh ka district, kat kumba thong bat pruid haka RTE Act R1000 khandai, Mynta ka sngi ka khat lai tarik Nohprah, kala penlong ka program I Jinghikai Kyrpang na ka benta ki principal, head teacher jong ki school, ha Inclusive Education Resource Center IERS mi Mynta. Kathong jong kani ka program, kalong ban pen syai bat pen sauthu yaki principal, head teacher jong ki school, shaphang ka kamram ki bor penya jong ki school, ha ka jingiadei bat ki Khynnah badon Jingduna haki Dkhot met CWSN, bat ru Kyrpang shaphang ki hok jong ki Khynnah, katkum ka RPWD Act R1000 khatnrio. ULK Singh District Co-Ordinator IE SSA West Jaintia Hills, Haba kren kum uriu shampang, ulayatu badon lightly ki school Kyrpang na kabenta ki Khynnah badon Jingduna, yaki balatip kum ka school for mental retardation mental illness, school for visually impaired, bat ka school for hearing impaired.
What kind of a school it is? What school are you going to teach today? That school is not of what? Special education. It's a special for them only. Tapi tangan tajam ki. And in such kind of special education, there are lots of schools which cater the needs of the special needs. For example, we are talking about a school for children with mental retardation, for children with hearing impaired, school for children with visual impairment. Dalam kata school di dalam tajam ki. Kamu ki Khynnah ki budan Jingduna ha bor perkhat kinai bekta ha ta school kaba Jinghikai tangi tu ki chat Khynnah lani kunu school kaba Jinghikai tangi tu ki banglat bakren ki bakunduk lani kala lang kunu special school kaba de tang lam ta ki Khynnah ki ba mata yes there is a school for children with special needs, but the fact is that this special education, even in Meghalaya, there is a special education school. Do you know that? Kita no? Hey, kadang orang Jaintia, special school. School you come. Nangba, one of your colleagues telling Nangba.
Season's greetings to all our patients. In order to celebrate the Christmas spirit, Mia Eye Clinic will be having a pre-Christmas sale on all frames with flat 40% off on 16 December 2023. Also, a free eye checkup from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. will be conducted on the same day. Join us to help you see the world better. For information and registration, call 825-700-3176.